Hello students, myself Ganga Swami. You are watching my channel Ganga Swami. So today I am going to discuss some formulas of light lesson. Not only the formulas, also the concept related to those formulas. See children, light lesson is one of the important lesson, not only from the for the point of exam, but at the point of your higher education. If you are opting for science stream, so this is very interesting lesson and it is very easy compared to your electricity, and these are the two lessons, electricity and lesson are very important lessons for the point of your higher education. Once again I would like to say that one, and learn them well, and they are very interesting. So I have selected the whole concept of the lesson in few statements, important concepts I can say, so that will help you in solving the coming exams MCQs. And also I am going to give the MCQs of the light lessons in detail in my next video. So first I thought it is better to give the important formulas so that it will help you in learning and preparing for the coming exam of yours this year MCQs. Children, do well, all the best, and moving with the lesson concepts. The first one, very important thing, see here, be careful about the reflection and the refraction. So here the first question the point is Snell's law, okay, and it is also known as the second law of refraction of light. Okay, see children, refraction is different, reflection is different. So the Snell's law, the second law of refraction of light, is given by sin I upon sin r is equal to constant. Very simple thing, it is sin I upon sin r is equal to constant, and the condition here for the angle is that angle I, that is angle of incident, must be, okay, it is less than 90, I must be less than 90 but greater than 0. This is the condition. And you may ask in this way that for the refraction of light, the angle, incident angle, okay, must be, or it lies between, it must lie between. If it is asked 0 and 90, we are going to say that is greater than 0 and smaller than 90. So this is the condition related to the angle I, that is angle of incidence. Okay, now here the terms which are related to that one, here I, okay, in this one you have angle of incidence, very simple, which you are learning from your lower classes, and R, nothing but angle of refraction, and the constant what you are going to get after taking the ratio of sin I and sin R. The ratio of that one is a constant, and that constant we are calling it as refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first. That means the light we are passing from one medium to the other. Okay, so that constant is nothing but the refractive index. Okay, so and it is given by, that is sin I upon sin R. This may be asked like this one, the refractive index is given by sin I upon sin R. Okay, so this is very important question here, and it will continue in higher class also, like a Pythagoras theorem. And this light lesson is very interesting. You will enjoy the practicals doing with the light lesson in your first year PUC. So children, concentrate, and very interesting lesson as you go on studying. Okay, now I'll move to the second concept. It is not a formula, just I felt it is better to have the idea of this one. Because I wanted to explain here about the vacuum. Okay, what is vacuum? Most of this, why I have selected this point, that is speed of light in vacuum. Why I have selected this point? Because not the figure 3 into 10 raised to 8 and all that one. Because most of the students, what they get confused with vacuum and air. See children, vacuum is different, air is different. Of course there is slight difference in between them, but vacuum is fully different, nothing. When we are going to pass light through vacuum means there is no media, okay, full nothing. Vacuum means nothing, so you don't have any air, nothing like that one. So in that the speed of light is very high, and it is highest. Okay, I have given the MCQs on this one also. In my next video, we will observe those things. So I have discussed these things in detail. So vacuum, just to make the point clear that vacuum and air, or if it is asked the question based on that one, only to clear that one I am going to say here, vacuum and air both are different, and the speed of light, it may be asked is what, 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Okay, remember this one, very simple point. 3 into 10 raised to 8 it is. Okay, what is that? speed of light in vacuum. Have it in mind. Then the third one, okay, what it is about? Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Why refractive index? Means here when light passes from one medium to the another medium, we are going to get this one. What is that one? Refractive index of that one. Just now what I explained the first one, N21 here. See, just I want to say that one. That is 21 means here the refractive index of the 2 means media 2 with respect to 1. See, N12 it is given. N12 if it is given, then refractive index of media 1, yes, with respect to medium 2. N21 means here, see this one, concentrate, speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2. Okay, this one very well, understand this one very well. N21, okay, that is speed of light ratio you are taking here, speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2, that is given by V1 and V2. So here N21, it is N21 means V1 upon V2 you are writing. Okay, where I explain here I have given. So learn these points, go through the points. Okay, N21 means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. What is V1? V1 is nothing but speed of light in medium 1, and V2 is speed of light in medium 2, as the notation gives the meaning of that one. Okay, now the fourth one. Okay, it is also again related to the refractive index. So, what is Nm? Okay, what is Nm means here when the incident ray is in a vacuum, or in that case our air we are referring here, if it is there Nm, vacuum is there, then we are going to write Nm means a speed of light in air divided by speed of light in the medium, means other than air what you have. So that is given by C by V. See here, what is C? C is nothing but speed of light in air, and V speed of, sorry it is OF of, I have made a mistake in typing, sorry, speed of light in medium other than air it is. Okay, so in that the ratio gives you the refractive index of the medium. Okay, the ratio of C by V gives you the refractive index of the medium you are going to discuss other than the air. Okay, if it is glass or liquid, whatever it is, in that ratio gives you the refractive index of that medium, other medium. Okay, the second one. Okay, next I will move to the fifth question. The fifth question is very important, and it will help you in your higher study once again. So learn it well and understand the concept related to this one. So the lens formula. Okay, you have the lens concept, very interesting concept. You have a ray diagram and all those things. So here very simple thing and important. Lens formula, what is that? 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. You are familiar with U, V and F. Okay, here U means the object distance, okay, and V is the image distance when a light falls through the, when it passes through the lens. You understanding? So we are keeping an object, okay, the distance of the object, that is referred as U. Then image, whatever it is formed, okay, that image distance is referred as V, and F is nothing but the focal length of the lens. Okay, so remember this formula, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Okay, very simple formula. Okay, I have lots of things to explain here in the magnification of lens. See, a very interesting concept. I will explain detail about this magnification and power of lens. Okay, what is magnification of lens? And it is noted by M. Magnification of lens is nothing but, see here, it is ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. See here, when we are going to keep an object in front of a lens, and if it get magnified, then the height of that image when formed with the height of the object, when you take that ratio, you are going to get the magnification of that particular lens through which the light is passing. That is the object when it is kept in front of a lens, and whatever the image it is formed, height of that image with height of the object what we are going to keep. Okay, so that ratio is nothing but magnification of that particular lens we are discussing. Okay, and it is given by h dash upon h as h dash. Here first we are taking height of the image to the height of the object. Remember this one well. Okay, at the same time, okay, magnification is also given by V by U. Okay, where U, as before also explained, U is nothing but the object distance, and V is nothing but the image distance C. Depending upon the formula, the problems you are applying the formula, both the formula gives you the magnification of lens. Okay, depend upon the given, you are applying the formulas. If it is given height of the image and height of the object, in that case h dash upon h. If you are given or discussing about the object distance and the image distance, then you are writing V by U. Okay, I think you have got this one point clear. Next I move to the 7th question. Okay, this is also very important. Very few formulas you have here and very simple formulas. So look at this one, power of lens. Okay, what is power of lens? What is the power of lens? Let me explain in short about that one. The ability of lens to converge or diverge light ray, that it depends on its focal length, and that capability of the lens is nothing but the power of the lens. What is that one? Power of lens is nothing but the ability of the lens to converge or diverge, okay, light ray, that is nothing but the power of lens. As you are observing here, power of lens is equal to 1 upon f. That means it is 1 upon f means reciprocal. Okay, so reciprocal in the sense, as f is in the denominator, as the focal length increases, power becomes what? Less. If focal length decreases, then power becomes more. Okay, so here P represents power of lens and F is the focal length. See, here I want to say a few points because they may ask MCQs on these points. First, convex lens. Okay, power of lens, how it is. In that one, you have suppose the focal length of the convex lens is short. Okay, in that case what happens, then the light bends the light, that convex lens bends the light rays through large angles, as have explaining here. P is 1 upon f, focal length is smaller here. If it is the focal length is smaller, in that case what happens, the light rays bends through large angles, and that lens, convex lens, what it does, it focus them, the light rays, closer to the optical center. This is the case. It may be asked point based on this one. Here, shorter the focal length, more larger the angles, and all they get what? Closer to the optical center, they get focus. It is with respect to convex lens. Then concave lens, here just opposite of that one, very short focal length if it has concave lens. So what it does, it causes higher divergence than the one with longer focal length. Okay, shorter the focal length with respect to concave lens, what happens, higher divergence than the one with longer focal length. As we have the formula, P is the inversely proportional to the focal length. More the focal length, less the power, less the focal length, more the power. Remember this one. Okay, next one more point based on this power of lens. Once again I have divided that one. Learn this one also. Power of lens, as I discussed, 1 upon f. See, one more point, it may be asked like this one. The degree of convergence or divergence of light, convex and concave lens, that is convergence and divergence of light we are discussed just now. See, the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. That is what here, the SI unit of power, diopter, it is denoted by the letter D, and you know the SI unit of focal length is meter. So here these are the points. And one more point here I want to say, see here, this one help you in solving the problems. Power of convex lens is positive, remember this one, and power of concave lens is negative, always taken. So these are the 8 points which I found more important for lesson based on this one. So understand them, the concept, remember them, read the lesson, and hope you will do well. And if you are aiming for a IIT and all those things, these points I have selected and written 99% of there is a chance of getting the questions based on this one. Anyhow, a few more questions I am going to discuss in the next session video. Keep watching, subscribe the channel so that you will come to know the updates for these coming days are very important from the point of your exams. Hope you all will do well. Have a nice time.